Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on an ECM. Machine came in with low flow from the group head. We did a nice descaling. There it is, a nice fresh shot of coffee coming out with some good crema. It's going right up to 9 bars, holding steady. Cut that shot a little short and we're going to check the steam. There's a little water coming out up there. You can also just turn that on for the steam. Shouldn't take long, just 1 second and we'll give a check. With that we'll test and take a look at that beautiful shot. There we go, clear the single tank. Should be nice strong steam now. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.